Hello everyone, welcome to RM English Learning. In this video, we are going to discuss how possessive case is formed. We are going to discuss only 5 rules of this topic. Next, other rules we will discuss in next video. Many of you request me to make video on this topic, that's why I am here. So if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, so do subscribe to it and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Okay, let's start the video without any delay. Rule number first is, when the noun is singular, the possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe s to the noun. I am repeating this rule again. When the noun is singular number, the possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe s to the noun. For example, Ram's house, Mohan's book. Ram is singular number, and to make Ram possessive case, here apostrophe is added in the end of the Ram. Mohan is also singular number, and to make Mohan possessive case, here apostrophe s is added in the end of the Mohan. Rule number 2 is, when the noun is plural and does not end in s, the possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe s. I am repeating this rule again. When the noun is plural and does not end in s, the possessive case is formed by adding s, apostrophe s. Okay. For example, women's job, men's house, pupil's voice. We are seeing that women, men are in plural number, but it does not end in s. So to make this word possessive case, we are adding here apostrophe s in the last of the word, in the end of the word. Rule number 3 is, when the plural ends in s, a simple apostrophe, means without s, is added after yes of the word. I am repeating the rule again. When the plural ends in s, plural means plural noun, ends in s, a simple apostrophe means without s, apostrophe without s, is added after s of the word. For example, boys school, girls school, James house. We are seeing that boys is ending in the s, so you need not to write double time yes. You will simply add only apostrophe in the end of the word. You need not to write yes, you only add simple apostrophe. Okay, same as in James, you will write simple apostrophe because James is also ending in s. Next rule is, classical names ending in s usually add only the apostrophe s. I am repeating the rule again. Classical names ending in s usually add only the apostrophe. For example, Moses laws, Pythagoras theorem, Archimedes principle. These words, Moses, Pythagoras, Archimedes, these are classical words, classical names, and these words are ending in s. So you need not to add double time s, you will write only apostrophe. Simply you will add apostrophe, you need not to write double time s. Moses, first of all you will write Moses, and after that you will add apostrophe. First of all you will write Pythagoras and you will add only apostrophe to show the possession of this noun. Okay, next rule is, today's last rule is, other names ending in s may add apostrophe with s or only the apostrophe. For example, Mr. Thomas apostrophe s, or this word you can write like this, Mr. Thomas, and you will add only apostrophe house. Next example, eats, you will write first of all eats, then you will write apostrophe s, and this word you can write another way like eats, and you will simply add apostrophe, no need to add s. These both types are correct. Okay, I'm repeating the last rule again, that other names ending in s may add apostrophe with s or apostrophe s or only the apostrophe s, apostrophe, only apostrophe, you need not to write yes. For example, Mr. Thomas apostrophe s or Mr. Thomas apostrophe house, eats apostrophe s or eats only apostrophe poem. Okay, and these were the 5 rules of today's video. Okay, I hope you have understood these 5 rules.